Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Taki Divan. So today I am going to be reviewing the Nykaa Cosmetics Sculpting Foundation. It's their Skin Genius Foundation and it's just newly launched, and Nykaa Cosmetics launched it 2 weeks back, and since then I've been using this for my review video, and I really wanted to try this product just because it is a dewy foundation and it also has some hyaluronic acid. Now I don't really have any product from Nykaa Cosmetics, but this product really caught my eyes on it, and I was just like, I need to have this foundation in my vanity. So I just went ahead and buy it for myself as well. It's launched in 5 different shades, and this foundation also has the technology that it will adapt to your actual skin tone if you choose the wrong product. Like, these days most of us are looking for the online shopping only, and by that we are tend to choose the wrong foundation or wrong shade for ourselves. So this foundation would not let you go down by choosing the wrong foundation. It will adapt to your actual skin tone if you choose the wrong product. Like, if you choose, suppose you are in the shade 03 and you will choose the 04 shade or 02, but 04 shade would be a little darker for your skin tone and 02 would be a little lighter for your skin tone. Now this foundation would adapt to your skin tone as perfect as your 03 would adapt your skin tone. It will actually look like your skin tone. So this is the technology that it has, and it also has some hyaluronic acid in it, which is a very good for the improving the texture of the skin. It comes in this cardboard box, and it's very pink in color. It's a very good color, and I really like the packaging, outer packaging. All the Nykaa Cosmetics products comes in this color of the packaging. Now once you open it up, this is the actual product, and it's very compact. It just comes in my palm. When I see it online, it looks like a little bigger to me, but it's actually very compact. It's very good for the traveling, and it's very travel friendly as well. And the packaging is really nice. It has a squarely cap, which will you need to open it up. Once you open it up, you will have the one hole on it through which you will take out the product, and it will get messier as well. This packaging get messier. I will prefer to have pump thing on the foundation because that is the more hygienic packaging, I would say. It's a packaging is really hygienic because you will not end up by taking the excessive product, so you don't need to put the back foundation onto the bottle. So it's very, that pump thing is very hygienic. If I go through the foundation's claim now, like, it's a weightless section meets luxurious longwear formula with Nykaa Skin Genius Foundation. It seamlessly melts in your skin. Please ignore the barking sound of my dogs, like street dogs. Now it also claims that it seamlessly melts in your skin and hydrates your skin with its polylift technology and hyaluronic acid. The color stays true always, and sun filter shield your perfectly complexion all day long. Imperfection virtually disappear and you get a radiant lit from within glow. Natural and radiant finish, lightweighted formula, homogeneous application. Now this foundation gives you very even tone skin tone as well. It will not end up looking like this foundation gives you very even looking face. You will not end up looking like gray on some area, like from mouth or under eye circles. Consistency of this foundation is really smooth and really nice. It blends so easily, and it blends really well as well. And you can layer this foundation up as many layer you prefer, and it will not end up looking like cakey face. And it's very light on the skin as well. My face looks like I have nothing on my face when I wore it. It's very light on the skin, and as well it will give you very nice coverage, like light to medium coverage, and it's very good for the daily purpose. And it's very hydrated as well. It gives you dewy finish And for the oily skin people, you can set it with the compact powder, then it will not look like very oily skin. It will look like very good skin, like very textured skin as well. And I wore it without setting it with the compact. Now my skin is combination skin, and I wore it without the compact powder, like without setting up the foundation, so it will stays a very long time, and it also gives me a glow from the within as well. It will cover the very light spots on your face. It is not it will not give you the very maximum coverage, but it gives a very nice coverage. Just because of its weight, it will not settle into these lines, these area as well, because it's very lightweighted. I would suggest you to use this foundation with your brush or with your finger. It blends really easily with the fingers as well. And if you choose to apply this foundation with the beauty blender, then the beauty blender would end up soak up this foundation quickly, because it is very lightweighted. So you will end up by soaking the foundation into the blender. So I would suggest you not to use the beauty blender with this foundation. And by applying this foundation with a brush, it just give you very nice coverage and nice finish to me as well. It retails for $575 for the 30 ml of the product. It's available in 5 different shades, and through which you can check out your shade. And it will stays on about 6 to 7 hours, and after that it will rough off from my cheeks area, because this area is getting in touch with my hands. Foundation is not like that, like if you are sweating, like if you are going out and you are sweating, so it will not come off with the scratching or something like that. It will stays on into your skin, and it will get absorbed onto your skin really quickly, which is a very good thing. Now come to the pros and cons of this foundation. Like, it's very good for the skin. It has hyaluronic acid. It gives you very light to medium coverage. It is a very dewy and hydrating as well, and it's affordable as well. It has the technology of skin adaptable. Now con size of this foundation, like I don't like the packaging, and also it doesn't have any SPF in it. Overall, I would say that it's a very good product, and it's affordable as well. If you are looking for a dewy foundation, then it is a must try from my side, and it's very good foundation. You can also assume that how much I like it, because this is my first product from the Nykaa Cosmetics. I don't have any single product from their range, but this is the first one. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. You can also click the bell button so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And you can also follow me on my Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook page. I will link them down below. And I will also link all the previous video in the description box. You can go and check that out. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.